Hey, this is Pragya Shah, and today I am back with another book review. So, this book review is going to be on a Petrography of Igneous and Metamorphic Rocks. Now, this is a Xerox copy of the original book. This will do. Mostly, this is a book where we talk about the practical portion of the Igneous and Metamorphic portion. So, we have the uh, contents of the book. I will go through the contents first and then you will understand. This is the continuation of the Philpotts book. Okay, if you have read Philpotts, which is the like the principles of igneous and metamorphic petrology, and that's continuation is this book. So we have introduction, review of the microscope and the mineral optics, so all the optical mineralogy portion, rock forming minerals and their optical properties, classification of the igneous rocks, textures and structures of igneous rocks. Okay, here we have a lot of illustrations. Now the illustrations are not very colored, they are black and white. Also they are black and white. I think they were not colored in the book. Had they been colored, they would have come colored. I don't know actually. I don't know now. Classification and textures of metamorphic rocks. Then we come to the metamorphic rocks. Here we have the general classification, graphical representation of the metamorphic mineral assemblages, classification reflecting conditions of metamorphism, textures of metamorphic rocks, illustrations of metamorphic textures, and that is it. So yeah, igneous is mostly 1, 2, and metamorphic is another one. So yeah, igneous is more than metamorphic, but I understand igneous has a very important portion for the classification as well. The classification portion is separately written. The negative portion about the book is it's not colored. It's a Xerox. I don't even now know whether it was colored or not. But since it is a Philpotts book, it is a good book. It is a good petrography book, especially when you are reading the textures and the structures, and you have to be having some handy pictures with yourself. And this is one of those books which will help you understand the concepts of the textures and structures really well when you are reading the chapters. So I would recommend like reading the book and reading this petrography book. The practical, theory and practical should go side by side so that you have a better understanding of the subject. That is it. I do not recommend those courses where the practical are in some other semester and the theory is in some other semester. In IITB we had to go through this because of COVID situation, but I personally hate this type of arrangement of the core courses because it helps, it just messes up with the student's brain, not in the right way. So yeah, that is it. Hope you like this review. See you in another video. Up till then, ta-da.